What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, we are doing another unboxing slash unwrapping. This is a video to show my love and support for my peers, my other small YouTubers, and to let you guys know that you can definitely support your peers in other ways than just subscribing and watching a video, which is amazing as well. But if you got a few extra coins, you should definitely try to go above and beyond to support your peers. So this is a package that I got for myself. I actually got it a couple of weeks ago for Mother's Day. It came here definitely in time. This came from Queen Greatness, and I will link her information down below. Our sister's name is Rashika, and she is an amazing businesswoman. She sent my package in this beautiful butterfly packaging. I love pink, and so for this video I wore pink. And so I'm just going to show you guys what I got. And I am very excited to finally be opening this. I did not want to open it without you guys, but look at this greatness. Look at this. Can you see that? This shirt says Mom Life. Mom Life. As many of you may know, I am a mom of 4, and so this shirt is perfect for me because I'm definitely about that mom life all day, every day, 24/7. So sis, this is a beautiful shirt. Thank you very much for the discount that I got when purchasing this shirt. And she had just launched this business. I believe she was just getting it going, and I was one of the first, I believe one of the first few, at least YouTubers that were on the site and got in and got some shirts. So I'm very happy to have it. I'm happy to finally open it, and I cannot wait to put it on. I will definitely be featuring this shirt in one of my future videos, as well as just rocking it around the house because it's mom life over here all day long. Okay? Alright, you guys, make sure you go support my sister. Her information will be down in the description. If you want to get you a Mom Life shirt, definitely link up. I will try to find her information so that I can put a link directly to her website as well, so that you can get you a shirt. If I'm not mistaken, the shirt was about $25, and that was with a discount. So check it out. Things may have changed a little bit, but I'm definitely excited to have me one. So anywho, thank you guys so much for coming back for yet another video on how we can support each other in different ways. I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye.